Job searching is so exhausting. You apply to over 100 jobs in a week, a month, you get ghosted, and you start wondering if your resume has just up and disappeared off into the void. Same here until I started using AI to help me increase my interview rate by 15 times. I'm breaking down exactly how I use ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI tools to optimize my job search and fast. So let's get into it. Before I started using AI, my job search looked a lot like this. You apply, you wait, you hear nothing. Then you repeat that same process over again. And I was sending out dozens of applications a day, and I felt like I was getting absolutely nowhere. The problem? My resume was way too generic, and my cover letters took forever to write. And my LinkedIn? Well, let's just say recruiters were definitely not sliding into my DMs. Then I started using AI, not just to save time, but to also make my applications better. Here's how I did it. So in terms of resume optimization, I fed my old resume into ChatGPT along with about 3 to 5 job descriptions for job titles that I was interested in. So for me, it was product marketing. And I asked ChatGPT, hey friend, can you rewrite this resume for insert job title here using results-driven language? And instantly my bullet points were much sharper and more straight to the point and impactful. I was able to write my cover letters in minutes. No more starting from scratch, right? I used this prompt. Help me write a compelling cover letter for insert job title here at insert company name here, highlighting these skills. And then I listed out my skills that I wanted to highlight. And for me, that was a game changer. And it also ended up being a template. And then for boosting my LinkedIn, I used ChatGPT and other AI tools to collect a series of keywords that I used to optimize my LinkedIn headline as well as my About Me section. And I went from 2 views on my profile a week to well over 50 in a week. So did it actually work? Yes. I was able to use AI to help me boost my interview rate by 15 times. I went from 2 interviews, first round interviews at the beginning of my job search to 38 first round interviews at the end of my job search. Then I noticed that recruiters started reaching out to me. I finally felt like my applications weren't just disappearing into a black hole. This wasn't just luck. This was also strategy plus AI. And I know that you can do it too. But before you jump into using AI for your job search, let me tell you about the mistakes that I made. Don't just copy and paste AI responses, right? If you sound like a robot, recruiters will know. Always tweak AI generated content to make sure it sounds like you. Never ignore personalization. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. If you don't customize your resume, your cover letters, or even your LinkedIn to stand out, you won't. And don't forget to fact check. AI is smart, but it isn't perfect. Always check for errors in data or weird phrasing to make sure that it's accurate. Don't just let ChatGPT run wild and say that you increase revenue by 10,000% unless you actually did it. So here's a few AI prompts to help get you started on your job search that actually worked for me. So starting with optimizing your resume, you want to go into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite your resume based on this job title using these job descriptions, the 3 to 5 job descriptions that you've collected, and rewrite that resume using strong verbs and strong impact. Again, using those same 3 to 5 job descriptions, go into ChatGPT and ask it to create you a cover letter based on this job title. Later on, you can customize the company and highlighting these skills and list out your skills that you want to make sure you call attention to. Then, of course, remember to edit it and make it your own. Then boost your LinkedIn headline using ChatGPT or any tool of your choice. Ask it to create a compelling LinkedIn headline for whatever your job title is using these keywords for someone looking for opportunities in this whatever your industry is. I'll have to say that AI has saved me hours on my job search and application strategy, and it got me real results. So if you want the AI prompts that I use to optimize my job search, grab my free guide that's linked in the description below. And hey, if this helped you, I would love to know. Hit that like button and also subscribe so that YouTube knows to show this video to more job seekers. And don't forget to subscribe for more job search tips and drop a a comment below if you've been using AI for your job search. I'd definitely love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!